Canola field. So yellow. Ooh, that's where we're going. Woohoo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you later.
Today is 26th of August, and yeah, we just left Fremantle at 6 o'clock, and now it's about, I don't know, 7, just about to pass the city, and yeah, it's 860 kilometers from Walyalup, Friel, to Jambinu, Geraldton. Yeah, 65% gravel, and then lots of fun. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to riding this route with all the like-minded people. About 70 k's in, just passing Chitlow. Yeah, it's just a gravel ride just began, and yeah, it's a beautiful morning, and yeah, so far so good. Whew. Alright, so I'm in Wandawi. There's the Sasha and Mark in front of me, and then there's a film crew, Cam as well. Hey! Hello, how are you? I'm filming you too. Hey! Wongan Hill, about 240k. Took a bit of time, but actually quicker than I expected. I'm currently 4th or 5th behind Ross, Sasha, Mac and Paul, so 5th, yeah, getting there. Oh, feeling tired actually. I'm going to go to the pub and get some chicken palmy and recover, I think. All right, that's the pub over there. Almost 300 k's. Actually it's past 300 k's. Just in the middle of nowhere. Probably 20-30 k's to Mylene. It's just so quiet. Just stopped for putting on jacket. It's getting pretty cold. I think it's like 8 degrees or something. It's coming down.
Good morning, it's 5:40. It's almost sunrise, or not quite. Look at that, it's 3 degrees. It's bloody cold. That's all the stats. Yeah, I'm just putting all my layers that I have, and just trying to survive. That's the bike. You can see it. Probably can't.